Maharashtra General Knowledge Quiz. Get ready to test your knowledge of Maharashtra. Let us begin the quiz. First question. Which is the capital of Maharashtra? Choose the correct answer from these options. Pune, Nagpur, Mumbai, Nashik. The answer is Mumbai. Mumbai is the capital and administrative headquarters of Maharashtra. Which is the official language of Maharashtra? Marathi, Gujarati, Hindi, Konkani. Marathi. Marathi is the official language of Maharashtra. On which date was the present state of Maharashtra formed? The 1st of November 1956. The 26th of January 1950. The 15th of August 1947. The 1st of May 1960. The 1st of May 1960. Maharashtra was formed on the 1st of May 1960 after the bilingual Bombay state was divided. What is Maharashtra's formation day called? Marathi Day, Maharashtra Day, Shivaji Day, Konkan Day. Maharashtra Day. Maharashtra Day is celebrated every year on the 1st of May. Which sea lies to the west of Maharashtra? Bay of Bengal, Red Sea, Arabian Sea, Andaman Sea. Arabian Sea. Maharashtra has a long western coastline along the Arabian Sea. Which mountain range runs along western Maharashtra? Eastern Ghats, Western Ghats, Aravalli Range, Vindhya Range. Western Ghats. The Western Ghats, also called the Sahyadris, run through western Maharashtra. What is another common name for the Western Ghats in Maharashtra? Nilgiri, Satpura, Sahyadri, Aravalli. Sahyadri. In Maharashtra, the Western Ghats are commonly known as the Sahyadri mountain range. Now for the next question. How many districts are there in Maharashtra? Here are the options. 32, 34, 38, 36. The answer is 36. Maharashtra has 36 administrative districts. Answer this next question. How many revenue divisions are there in Maharashtra? Options. 4, 5, 6, 8. The answer is 6. Maharashtra is divided into 6 revenue divisions for administration. What is the approximate geographical area of Maharashtra? About 207,713 square kilometers. About 307,713 square kilometers. About 407,713 square kilometers. About 107,713 square kilometers. About 307,713 square kilometers. Maharashtra covers approximately 307,713 square kilometers. What is the approximate length of Maharashtra's coastline? About 420 kilometers. About 520 kilometers. About 920 kilometers. About 720 kilometers. About 720 kilometers. Maharashtra has an Arabian Sea coastline of roughly 720 kilometers. Next question. Which Maharashtra city is known as the Queen of the Deccan? Here are the options. Mumbai, Pune, Nagpur, Nashik. And the correct answer is Pune. Pune is popularly known as the Queen of the Deccan because of its historical, cultural and educational importance. Now for the next question. Which Maharashtra city is known as the City of Gates? Your options are Pune, Chhatrapati Sambhajinagar, Kolhapur, Amravati. And the correct answer is Chhatrapati Sambhajinagar. Chhatrapati Sambhajinagar is known as the City of Gates because of its many historic gateways. Next question. Which city is known as the winter capital of Maharashtra? Answer choices. Nagpur, Pune, Nashik, Kolhapur. The correct answer is Nagpur. Nagpur hosts the winter session of the Maharashtra legislature and is called the state's winter capital. Here is the next question. Which is the state animal of Maharashtra? Choose the correct answer from these options. Bengal tiger, Indian giant squirrel, Indian elephant, black buck. And the correct answer is Indian giant squirrel. The Indian giant squirrel, locally called shekru, is Maharashtra's state animal. Here is the next question. Which is the state bird of Maharashtra? Answer choices. Indian peafowl, great hornbill, yellow-footed green pigeon, Sarus crane. The correct answer is yellow-footed green pigeon. The yellow-footed green pigeon, locally called Hariyal, is Maharashtra's state bird. Now for the next question. Which is the state tree of Maharashtra? Your options are banyan tree, mango tree, neem tree, coconut tree. The correct answer is mango tree. The mango tree is the state tree of Maharashtra. Here is the next question. Which is the state flower of Maharashtra? Your options are lotus, jasmine, jarul, sunflower. The correct answer is jarul. Jarul, also called the pride of India, is Maharashtra's state flower. Answer this next question. Which is the state butterfly of Maharashtra? Options: blue mormon, common mormon, southern birdwing, lime butterfly. The correct answer is blue mormon. The blue mormon is the state butterfly of Maharashtra. Which is the highest peak in Maharashtra? Kalsubai, Saleh, Harishchandragad, Mahabaleshwar. Kalsubai. Kalsubai, about 1646 meters high, is the highest peak in Maharashtra. Which region forms Maharashtra's narrow coastal belt? Vidarbha, Marathwada, Konkan, Khandesh. Konkan. Konkan is the coastal region between the Arabian Sea and the Western Ghats. Which region lies mainly in eastern Maharashtra? Konkan, Desh, Marathwada, Vidarbha. Vidarbha. Vidarbha occupies much of eastern Maharashtra. Which region includes districts such as Nanded, Latur and Beed? Marathwada, Konkan, Vidarbha, Khandesh. Marathwada, Nanded, Latur and Beed are part of the Marathwada region. Much of Maharashtra lies on which plateau? Chota Nagpur Plateau, Deccan Plateau, Malwa Plateau, Shillong Plateau. Deccan Plateau. A large part of Maharashtra lies on the Deccan Plateau. Near which place does the Godavari river originate? Trambakeshwar, Mahabaleshwar, Bhimashankar, Panchgani. Trambakeshwar. The Godavari rises near Trambakeshwar in Nashik district. The Krishna river originates near which hill station? Matheran, Lonavala, Mahabaleshwar, Chikhaldara. Mahabaleshwar. The Krishna river rises near Mahabaleshwar in Satara district. Let us move to the next question. The Bhima river is a major tributary of which river? Choose the correct answer from these options. Krishna, Godavari, Tapi, Narmada. The correct answer is Krishna. The Bhima river joins the Krishna river. Next question. The Koyna river is a tributary of which river? Here are the options. Godavari, Tapi, Krishna, Vardha. The answer is Krishna. The Koyna is an important tributary of the Krishna river. Which major Maharashtra river flows westward into the Arabian Sea? Bhima, Vardha, Vinganga, Tapi. Tapi. The Tapi River flows westward and empties into the Arabian Sea. Which pair of rivers flows through Pune city? Mular and Mutha. Vardha and Vinganga. Krishna and Koyna. Godavari and Pravara. Mular and Mutha. Pune city is situated around the Mular and Mutha rivers. Here is the next question. Jayakwadi Dam is built across which river? Here are the options. Krishna, Tapi, Bhima, Godavari. The correct answer is Godavari. Jayakwadi Dam near Pathan is built across the Godavari river. Koyna Dam is built across which river? Vardha, Purna, Koyna, Pravara. Koyna. Koyna Dam in Satara district is built across the Koyna river. Unchni Dam is built across which river? Godavari, Koyna, Bhima, Tapi. Bhima. Unchni Dam is a major dam on the Bhima river. Lonar Lake is located in which district? Buldhana, Akola, Washim, Jalgaon. Buldhana. Lonar Lake is located in Buldhana district. Next question. Lonar Lake was formed mainly by what? Here are the options. A volcanic eruption. A river flood. A landslide. A meteorite impact. And the correct answer is a meteorite impact. Lonar is a famous impact crater lake formed by a meteorite striking basalt rock. Question number 36. Kash Plateau, famous for seasonal wildflowers, is in which district? Answer choices. Pune, Satara, Raigad, Kolhapur. The correct answer is Satara. Kash Plateau is a well-known flower plateau in Satara district. Mahabaleshwar Hill Station is located in which district? Nashik, Pune, Raigad, Satara. Satara. Mahabaleshwar is a famous hill station in Satara district. Let us move to the next question. Lonavala Hill Station is located in which district? Here are the options. Pune, Satara, Nashik, Palghar. The correct answer is Pune. Lonavala was located in Pune district, between Mumbai and Pune. Answer this next question. Tadoba Andhari Tiger Reserve is located mainly in which district? Here are the options. Chandrapur, Gondia, Amravati, Wardha. The correct answer is Chandrapur. Tadoba Andhari Tiger Reserve is located mainly in Chandrapur district. Melghat Tiger Reserve is located mainly in which district? Nagpur, Gadchiroli, Bhandara, Amravati. Amravati. Melghat Tiger Reserve lies mainly in Amravati district. Sanjay Gandhi National Park is located in which metropolis? Pune, Nagpur, Mumbai, Nashik. Mumbai. Sanjay Gandhi National Park is located within the Mumbai metropolitan area. Here is the next question. Navegaon National Park is located in which district? Your options are Chandrapur, Wardha, Gondia, Yavatmal. The correct answer is Gondia. Navegaon National Park is located in Gondia district. Next question. Pench National Park in Maharashtra is associated mainly with which district? Choose the correct answer from these options. Solapur, Sindhudurg, Jalna, Nagpur. The answer is Nagpur. The Maharashtra part of Pench National Park is associated with Nagpur district. Answer this next question. Bhimashankar Wildlife Sanctuary is especially known for protecting which state animal? Here are the options. Indian elephant, Indian giant squirrel, one-horned rhinoceros, Asiatic lion. The correct answer is Indian giant squirrel. Bhimashankar Wildlife Sanctuary protects the Indian giant squirrel, Maharashtra's state animal. Here is the next question. Radhanagari Wildlife Sanctuary is located in which district? Answer choices: Kolhapur, Satara, Sangli, Ratnagiri. The correct answer is Kolhapur. Radhanagari Wildlife Sanctuary is located in Kolhapur district. Answer this next question. Thane Creek Flamingo Sanctuary is famous for which birds? Answer choices: flamingos, hornbills, cranes, pelicans. The answer is flamingos. Large numbers of flamingos visit the mud flats of Thane Creek. Bor Tiger Reserve is located in which district? Gondia, Amravati, Nandurbar, Wardha. Wardha. Bor Tiger Reserve is located in Wardha district. Here is the next question. Who founded the Maratha kingdom that developed into the Maratha Empire? Options: Chhatrapati Shahu Maharaj, Chhatrapati Shivaji Maharaj, Bajirao I, Balaji Vishwanath. The correct answer is Chhatrapati Shivaji Maharaj. Chhatrapati Shivaji Maharaj founded an independent Maratha kingdom in the 17th century. Question number 49. At which fort was Chhatrapati Shivaji Maharaj born? Your options are Raigad Fort, Shivneri Fort, Pratapgarh Fort, Sinhagad Fort. The answer is Shivneri Fort. Chhatrapati Shivaji Maharaj was born at Shivneri Fort near Junnar. Let us move to the next question. At which fort was Chhatrapati Shivaji Maharaj crowned in 1674? Answer choices: Torna Fort, Panhala Fort, Raigad Fort, Sindhudurg Fort. The correct answer is Raigad Fort. Shivaji Maharaj's coronation took place at Raigad Fort in 1674. Which fort became the capital of Chhatrapati Shivaji Maharaj's kingdom? Shivneri Fort, Daulatabad Fort, Raigad Fort, Murud Janjira Fort. Raigad Fort. Raigad served as the capital of Shivaji Maharaj's kingdom. Which fort is generally regarded as the first major fort captured by Shivaji Maharaj? Torna Fort, Pratapgarh Fort, Panhala Fort, Vijaydurg Fort. Torna Fort. Shivaji Maharaj captured Torna Fort at a young age, making it an early center of his power. Answer this next question. What was the council of 8 ministers under Shivaji Maharaj called? Here are the options: Navratan, Panchayat, Ashtapradhan, Mansabdari. The correct answer is Ashtapradhan. The Ashtapradhan was the council of 8 principal ministers. Sindhudurg Fort was built on the coast near which town? Alibag, Dapoli, Dahanu, Malwan. Malwan. Sindhudurg Fort was built on an island off Malwan in the Konkan region. The Battle of Sinhagad is especially associated with which warrior? Baji Prabhu Deshpande, Tanaji Malusare, Santaji Ghorpade, Murarbaji Deshpande. Tanaji Malusare. Tanaji Malusare is remembered for his bravery in the Battle of Sinhagad. Let us move to the next question. The historic encounter between Shivaji Maharaj and Afzal Khan took place near which fort? Options: Shivneri Fort, Pratapgarh Fort, Daulatabad Fort, Lohagarh Fort. The correct answer is Pratapgarh Fort. The encounter between Shivaji Maharaj and Afzal Khan took place near Pratapgarh in 1659. Question number 57. Shaniwar Wada is located in which city? Here are the options: Satara, Pune, Nashik, Nagpur. The correct answer is Pune. Shaniwar Wada in Pune was an important seat of the Peshwas. Now for the next question. The Gateway of India is located in which city? Here are the options: Pune, Nagpur, Mumbai, Chhatrapati Sambhajinagar. The answer is Mumbai. The Gateway of India is a famous waterfront monument in Mumbai. Next question. Aga Khan Palace, associated with India's freedom movement, is in which city? Answer choices. Kolhapur, Pune, Nashik, Solapur. The correct answer is Pune. Aga Khan Palace in Pune is closely connected with Mahatma Gandhi in the freedom struggle. Diksha Bhumi is located in which city? Nagpur, Mumbai, Pune, Nashik. Nagpur. Diksha Bhumi in Nagpur is associated with Dr. B.R. Ambedkar's conversion to Buddhism in 1956. Sevagram Ashram is located in which district? Amravati, Nagpur, Akola, Wardha. Wardha. Mahatma Gandhi established Sevagram Ashram in Wardha district. India's first passenger train ran in 1853 between Mumbai and which city? Pune, Thane, Nashik, Surat. Thane. India's first passenger train ran from Bori Bandar in Mumbai to Thane in 1853. Question number 63. The first session of the Indian National Congress was held in 1885 in which city? Answer choices. Pune, Nagpur, Kolhapur, Mumbai. The correct answer is Mumbai. The first session of the Indian National Congress was held in Bombay, now Mumbai, in 1885. Question number 64. Who founded the Satyashodhak Samaj? Your options are Gopal Krishna Gokhale, Jyotirao Phule, Bal Gangadhar Tilak, Vinoba Bhave. The correct answer is Jyotirao Phule. Jyotirao Phule founded the Satyashodhak Samaj in 1873 to promote social equality. Who, along with Jyotirao Phule, pioneered girls' education in Pune? Ramabai Ranade, Anandibai Joshi, Savitribai Phule, Tarabai Shinde. Savitribai Phule. Savitribai Phule helped establish a pioneering school for girls in Pune. Rajarshi Shahu Maharaj is most closely associated with which princely state? Kolhapur, Satara, Nagpur, Baroda. Kolhapur. Rajarshi Shahu Maharaj ruled Kolhapur and promoted education and social reform. Now for the next question. Who started the Marathi newspaper Kesari? Your options are Gopal Ganesh Agarkar, Gopal Krishna Gokhale, Dadabhai Nauroji, Bal Gangadhar Tilak. The correct answer is Bal Gangadhar Tilak. Bal Gangadhar Tilak started Kesari as an influential Marathi newspaper. Here is the next question. Who founded the Servants of India Society in Pune? Options: Jyotirao Phule, Vinoba Bhave, V.D. Savarkar, Gopal Krishna Gokhale. The correct answer is Gopal Krishna Gokhale. Gopal Krishna Gokhale founded the Servants of India Society in Pune in 1905. The Bhudan movement is closely associated with whom? Vinoba Bhave, Baba Amte, Bhundo Keshav Karve, Gopal Hari Deshmukh. Vinoba Bhave. Vinoba Bhave began the Bhudan movement to encourage voluntary land donation. Which movement demanded a separate Marathi-speaking state with Mumbai as its capital? Sanyukta Maharashtra movement, Quit India movement, Swadeshi movement, Bhudan movement. Sanyukta Maharashtra movement. The Sanyukta Maharashtra movement supported the creation of Maharashtra as a Marathi-speaking state. Next question. Ajanta caves are especially famous for what? Your options are Mughal gardens, Maratha palaces, Jan stepwells, ancient Buddhist paintings. The correct answer is ancient Buddhist paintings. Ajanta caves are renowned for their ancient Buddhist murals and rock-cut monuments. Ellora caves contain monuments connected with which three religions? Hinduism, Islam and Sikhism. Buddhism, Hinduism and Jainism. Buddhism, Christianity and Jainism. Hinduism, Judaism and Buddhism. Buddhism, Hinduism and Jainism. Ellora has Buddhist, Hindu and Jain rock-cut caves. The famous Kailasa temple is located at which cave complex? Ajanta Caves, Elephanta Caves, Kala Caves, Ellora Caves. Ellora Caves. The monolithic Kailasa temple is one of the greatest monuments at Ellora. Elephanta Caves are especially famous for a large sculpture of which deity? Vishnu, Shiva, Brahma, Ganesha. Shiva. The Elephanta Caves are best known for the monumental Trimurti sculpture of Shiva. Next question. Bibi Ka Maqbara is located in which city? Options: Mumbai, Pune, Nagpur, Chhatrapati Sambhajinagar. The answer is Chhatrapati Sambhajinagar. Bibi Ka Maqbara is a famous Mughal era monument in Chhatrapati Sambhajinagar. Which festival is celebrated on a grand scale across Maharashtra in honor of Lord Ganesha? Onam, Bihu, Ganesh Chaturthi, Pongal. Ganesh Chaturthi. Ganesh Chaturthi is one of Maharashtra's most widely celebrated festivals. Which festival marks the traditional Marathi New Year? Gudi Padwa, Makar Sankranti, Narari Purnima, Bel Pola. Gudi Padwa. Gudi Padwa marks the beginning of the traditional Marathi New Year. Now for the next question. Which traditional Maharashtra dance form is known for energetic rhythm and expressive songs? Here are the options: Garba, Bhangra, Yakshagana, Lavani. And the correct answer is Lavani. Lavani is a popular Maharashtra dance and music tradition known for its strong rhythm. What is Tamasha in Maharashtra? A traditional folk theatre form, a harvest crop, a mountain festival, a style of painting. A traditional folk theatre form. Tamasha is a lively traditional folk theatre form of Maharashtra. Question number 80. What is a povada? Options: a sweet dish, a farming tool, a temple tower, a heroic Marathi ballad. And the correct answer is a heroic Marathi ballad. Povadas are Marathi ballads that celebrate heroic events and figures. Varli painting is traditionally associated with tribal communities of which district? Solapur, Palghar, Wardha, Jalna. Palghar. Palghar is strongly associated with the Varli community and its distinctive art. Next question. Pathani saris take their name from which town? Options: Pandharpur, Pathan, Panhala, Panchgani. And the correct answer is Pathan. The famous Pathani silk sari tradition is named after the town of Pathan. Next question. Kolhapuri chappals are named after which city? Here are the options: Nagpur, Kolhapur, Nashik, Pune. The correct answer is Kolhapur. Kolhapuri chappals are traditional leather footwear associated with Kolhapur. Question number 84. The Kumbh Mela in Maharashtra is held at which city? Options: Pune, Nagpur, Satara, Nashik. The answer is Nashik. Nashik hosts the Kumbh Mela on the banks of the Godavari river. Pandharpur is famous for the temple of which deity? Vithoba, Khandoba, Ganesha, Dattatreya. Vithoba. Pandharpur is a major pilgrimage center dedicated to Vithoba, also called Vithal. The famous Wari pilgrimage ends at which town? Shirdi, Pandharpur, Pathan, Trambakeshwar. Pandharpur. The annual Wari pilgrimage culminates at the Vithoba temple in Pandharpur. Let us move to the next question. Shirdi, associated with Sai Baba, is in which district? Here are the options: Ahilyanagar, Nashik, Pune, Jalgaon. The correct answer is Ahilyanagar. Shirdi is located in Ahilyanagar district. Trambakeshwar Jyotirlinga is located in which district? Pune, Nashik, Satara, Kolhapur. Nashik. Trambakeshwar Jyotirlinga is situated near Nashik. Bhimashankar Jyotirlinga is located in which district? Raigad, Nashik, Satara, Pune. Pune. Bhimashankar temple is located in Pune district in the Western Ghats. Now for the next question. Which popular street food is strongly associated with Mumbai? Choose the correct answer from these options. Dhokla, Litti Chokha, Vada Pav, Appam. The answer is Vada Pav. Vada Pav is one of Mumbai's most famous street foods. Next question. Which city is especially famous for oranges? Your options are Pune, Satara, Nagpur, Nanded. And the correct answer is Nagpur. Nagpur is widely known for its oranges and citrus trade. Now for the next question. Ratnagiri is especially famous for which variety of mango? Here are the options. Dashir, Langra, Alfonso, Banganapalli. The answer is Alfonso. Ratnagiri is internationally known for Alfonso mangoes. Now for the next question. Which Maharashtra district is especially famous for grape cultivation? Here are the options. Gadchiroli, Bhandara, Hingoli, Nashik. And the correct answer is Nashik. Nashik is one of India's best known grape growing regions. Answer this next question. India's Hindi film industry, popularly called Bollywood, is centered in which city? Your options are Pune, Nagpur, Mumbai, Nashik. And the correct answer is Mumbai. Mumbai is the principal center of the Hindi film industry known as Bollywood. Where is the central office of the Reserve Bank of India located? Mumbai, New Delhi, Kolkata, Chennai. Mumbai. The Reserve Bank of India's central office is located in Mumbai. Next question. BSE, Asia's oldest stock exchange, is located in which city? Here are the options. Pune, Ahmedabad, New Delhi, Mumbai. And the correct answer is Mumbai. BSE, formerly the Bombay Stock Exchange, is headquartered in Mumbai. Jawaharlal Nehru Port is also popularly known by which name? Nhava Sheva, Mormugao, Kandla, Paradeep. Nhava Sheva. Jawaharlal Nehru Port near Navi Mumbai is commonly called Nhava Sheva. Bhabha Atomic Research Center is located at which place in Mumbai? Kolaba, Bandra, Trombe, Borivali. Trombe. The Bhabha Atomic Research Center is located at Trombe in Mumbai. Film and Television Institute of India is located in which city? Mumbai, Nagpur, Pune, Nashik. Pune. The Film and Television Institute of India is located in Pune. Next question. How many elected constituencies are there in the Maharashtra Legislative Assembly? Here are the options. 288, 240, 250, 300. The correct answer is 288. The Maharashtra Legislative Assembly has 288 elected constituencies.